ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ryngkat ka jing itray langbat ka Dorbar Shnong lambat ki tenat sorkar. Ka menteri sorkar bapek ya ka tenat ka koi ka kia kalalum ya ka jing yalang ban ya perkhat halor ka jing Pynkhreh ban Pynkynriah ya ki Nongshong de Madan halaim kra syaka wei pat ka jaka ban lait ka dhengkali khamtam ondala play biang ki school. Habaya kren bakilat pathai khobor ka Dr. Maisel Amperin lengdo kala ong balada ka yaj bait kumbala temu. Onla ban Pynkynriah ya ginong di Madan, bat hapedeng ka shipho hado khat santarik mentau benai rempang. Kin sapa da ka shiti ban Pynkynriah na police point sha beat house. Ban pensuk ya ginong leit nongwan habaya lenti halaim kra.
We are now ready with the entire plan. Necessary surveys have been done as per norms and recommendations of the vendors policy, national vendors policy, hawkers policy, and we will shortly be able to relocate these vendors from police point to beat house in the interest of public, in the interest of not disrupting and occupying spaces which were meant for pedestrian way of ride. Looks like everything is in order, and we hope that the vendors committee will be able to fast track this, and I hope, and I'm crossing my fingers, that everything will go well. By the 10th to 15th, in between these days, we will issue the relocation to these various hawkers, and we look forward to a hawker free zone, because this is very important for us to understand. That is an important way where all people, whether students, office goers, citizens and residents of Pynkhreh and neighboring places walk. I do not anticipate that we'll have much of a problem anymore, because we have gone as per the Hawkers Act, and I hope that we will be able to do this. This is just one of the things that we have decided in that meeting. We have also had the opportunity to interact with traffic personnel in the leadership of Additional Secretary Shakil Ahmed sir, and we have decided that we have requested the Dorbar Pulun to go back to its executive committee to present before the executive committee the necessity of changing the entire ring road of Pynkhreh towards Dankiti and then Beat House and back. We are considering a one-way in that area, and we are going to also be looking at all one-ways within auxiliary roads around the main ring road around Pynkhreh. If everybody is on the same page and if we are all in agreement, there is a high probability that we will again revert to a one-way around that area. The direction of this one-way will again be decided by the Dorbar committee along with the executive committee of the Dorbar, because this is important, and I hope that that would also be good, and we would also be able to ease traffic congestion in this very important ring road, especially once institutes open. We have also decided that we will make Veronica Lane, which is the area where we will have the hawkers relocation, to be a no traffic entry zone for a certain period during the day, so that we ease the traffic congestion, especially in the interest of the people, differently able students who are studying in the 2-3 institutes located in that area. I do not foresee that we will have much of a problem, but if this Veronica Lane is made one way at certain hours of the day, then I think it would also ease safety issues as well as congestion issues as well as random parking on the Veronica Lane. I will not be able to comment on this matter because obviously this matter is now being taken up by the vendors committees and the vendors, members of the vendors committees across Shillong City. I know for sure that in Pynkhreh, because we have taken initiative with the help of the Dorbar, this likely transition will be much more simpler, much more in order. So hence we have offered and we are making these provisions. And once everything is done, then we will have the construction of the kiosks for minimum protection of hawkers from the rain, from the sun, and from adverse weather conditions. We will be giving them a toilet. We will be giving them a single room go down in Pynkhreh area, in the market area, so that at least the vendors don't have to keep lugging these materials up and down. We will also be providing them a toilet. We'll be providing them safe water drinking or opportunities. So all of this is a consolidated package, and I hope that it will be good for all. We are looking at a number of 89. So 89 is a suitable space there.
When can you expect this final relocation to take place?
We are looking at this movement anytime between the 10th and the 13th of this month. And I hope that everybody, all stakeholders will be happy and will cooperate with us because it is for their good. This is something which has been left pending. And once we start and show the way by Pynkhreh, I hope other parts of the city also follow. And we'll have better organized markets for hawkers. And it will look good for the overall improvement of situations for all in the city of Shillong. Then all these procedures are now already being rolled. So I don't anticipate that we will have too much of a problem. I hope everybody cooperates. No, there is no specification of place of origin of hawkers. We have been fair and square to all. The only prerequisite is that no vendor, not more than 6 months of vending will be permitted, which is as per the Hawkers National Act. I'm sorry, we will now declare it as a no vending zone, and anybody who vends there will have to face procedures of law.